Welcome back everyone. In this session we're going to explore setting up billing, creating billing groups and integrating your accounting with SageOne. So let's get started. Billing is the process of creating and managing financial statements or invoices that detail the changes for goods or services provided to the customers. It is a critical component of keeping financial records and ensuring accurate and timely payments for the products or services provided. Now let's navigate to the Billing Setup page. First you'll go to Billing and then click on the drop-down list and then Billing Setup. Here you will find a variety of settings that you can adjust according to your needs. Below each field you will see a short description that each setting does. Once you have made all the necessary adjustments, remember to click on the green Update button as seen here on the screen. Billing groups are used to group your customers for different billing purposes. For example, EFT customers, debit orders, or credit card. So let's go to the Billing Groups page. First go to Billing and then click on Billing Setup and then Billing Groups. Click on the Add Group button and then at the pop-up screen add the group name as well as the description. Once completed, click on the Add Group button. Please remember billing groups will also be synced to SageOne. Next we will have a look at the Invoice Setup. So let's start by navigating to the Invoice Setup page. Start by going to Billing, Billing Setup, and then Invoice and Credit Note Setup. Next you can start by adding the general information as well as your bank account details. As seen on the screen above, you can proceed to set up how you want your invoices or credit notes, as well as your statements just below that. The accounting integration setup involves configuring a connection between DataTill and SageOne. This lets financial information flow smoothly between DataTill and Sage. First, you will need to create a dedicated API user in Sage with full administrator rights for DataTill. Then go to Setup, System Settings and Accounting Integration. Complete the details you see in this form, and once completed, click on the Update button below. Once done, click on the Test button seen here. It's absolutely critical that this test is successful before proceeding. After a successful test, you can proceed to sync your item categories, analysis codes, and accounts and tax rates as seen here on the screen. To view imported items from Sage, you can go to the Billing tab and then see SageOne data. If any Sage sync issues occur, please refer to the manual found in the link below. An account suspension is the temporary deactivation or restriction of a user's account or subscription for a variety of reasons or circumstances. The suspensions module was created to give us more control over our debtors with overdue accounts. So in a nutshell, if a customer is overdue and does not pay their invoice on time, their data account will be suspended, which means they will not have any internet access until their bills are paid. After the suspension is approved, the customer will receive a first and second warning notification before being automatically suspended. The Billing Setup section allows you to set the timeline for when these notifications are sent out, as well as when the actual suspension occurs. For a more in-depth understanding of account suspensions, you can find a comprehensive manual by following the link provided below. And that concludes today's video on DataTill's Billing Setup. Should you require any further information, don't hesitate to consult the billing manual, available through the link below. We sincerely appreciate your time and attention, and thank you for tuning in.